Y'all, got my hair braided. Look how long that is. Y'all see that? Shout out to who braided my hair. She know who she is. And y'all, this Boxycharm value is $118. So let's talk about it. Hey y'all, long time no see. So today is Wednesday, February 13th. It is 9:32 and I came home to my Boxycharm for February. So let's just unbox it and see what's inside. So the theme this month is Afterglow. And it's pretty pink, glowy, right in time for Valentine's Day, which is even better. So we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, the Pretty Vulgar Bronze Bee Bronzer, the Touch and Sew No Problema Primer. Oh, like no problem. No problem, but it's no problem. No problem. No problem. Okay, and then a Sol de Janeiro Cocoa Cabana cream. And then we have a Nude Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. And let's just see what everything looks like. This is the primer. I'm very excited to try the primer. I like primers. This is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. The color is Copper Foil. I kind of wanted that lippy product that they were trying out, that it was like the liner and then like you take it apart and it's the balm. I kind of wanted that, but I'm gonna swatch these in a second. Then this is the Cocoa Cabana cream. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say this, but I always wanted to try, I believe they have like a bum gum cream that I hear like is all the rave, but I'm gonna open this up and see how it smells as well. And then we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Everybody loves mascara and it's full size. It's so heavy. And then, but not least, is this Pretty Vulgar bronzer. It's called Bronze Mannequin. And let's just see what everything looks like. So product number one, let's start with the Cocoa Cabana cream. This is a moisture magnet oil and water body cream. It is, how many ounces? 2.5 fluid ounces or 75 milliliters. And it is sealed like this. So I'll pop it off. Okay, so it kind of smells like butter popcorn, but it smells like vanilla bean butter popcorn. I don't really care for the fragrance of it, so I think I'm just gonna save it for a giveaway. And let's keep going. So then this is the Nude Stick thing. Bear with me while I open this real quickly. This is the eye color, Copper Foil. It's really magnetic, I assume. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, this is my hand, ignore my little cut on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch this. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. It's really like a piece of copper foil. So I'm just gonna go like up here too. Look at that. Okay. Next, we have the No Pore Blem Primer. And this is by Touch and Sew. It's 1 fluid ounce. It says it's smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. It's made in Korea. And I want to just smell it. Actually, it doesn't smell bad. So, I'm going to save this mascara for last because I'm actually going to apply it. And then we have the Pretty Vulgar Mannequin, Bronze Mannequin, 113. So I had filled out the Boxycharm profile or whatever, and then I preferred bronzer over blush. I think that was the question. Anybody know how to open this? Just let me know. And I hope I don't break this because, okay, there you go. So this is what it looks like up close. I don't think I want to like swatch it or anything because I might actually save it for a giveaway as well. So, but this mascara though, I'm about to try this on. So my lashes are bare. You can see like all my all day skin. This is what my skin looks like after all day of stress and work. So let's just apply some mascara. It doesn't seem like it's a lot of product in here, even though this is a full-size product. Like, I'm used to my mascara wand being covered. But this is how the wand looks. And let's just put it on. So, nothing on lashes. You guys can, like, see, like, all of my eyebrow hairs coming in. So embarrassing, but this is real life me. I'm sure, like, somebody else needs their eyebrows done, but okay. I need mine's done. I usually try to get them done every like 2 or 3 weeks. So trick to get your mascara on, you just start and like wiggle up. Wiggle up. One thing that I'm already noticing about this mascara is that it's like, don't trip. I will clean up that mess back there, but I'm not about to go anywhere. So is that it's very thick, but it's defining. Okay, so I'm just about to finish putting this on real quick and just stay right there. Okay, so I put the mascara on this eye, and there's no mascara on this eye. Is the mascara better than sex? Not at all. Would I recommend the mascara? I think it's an everyday mascara. I definitely wouldn't pay. Let's see what the retail value for this is. 24 bucks. No. For this, no, y'all. I'm gonna post a everyday lash routine with just mascara for way under 24 bucks. But anyway, y'all, I got the first variation of this box, and so let's just talk about price real quick. So retail value for the mascara is $24. Even though this is very nice and heavyweight, cute canister, I'm not really like satisfied. Like, I'm not like, oh my god, my lashes are popping. No. Next product. This primer, I'm not going to put on any mascara. I mean, not any mascara. I'm not going to put on any foundation right now, so I'm not going to test out the primer. But it does smell good, and I'm set. Like, the whole appearance, I love a good primer. This, I can see me doing like a lip with this more than I can an eye. But it's like very sturdy. Like, I can't get it off, which is why I can see me doing a lip. And then these two, y'all, I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a giveaway. I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway of these two products, just because. So rules for the giveaway is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my Instagram page, and comment below on that picture your favorite emoji, and then comment in the comments the same emoji, just because. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a giveaway. Giveaway ends February 28th at, let's just say, 9:46 p.m. just because. So guys, I'll go ahead and drop those details in the description box as well, and good luck. Thanks for watching. Make sure you enter the giveaway and make sure you hit subscribe.